This is a slow vlog. It's not for everyone. But if you're still here, then it just might be for you. How can I help you understand the impact of home on your life? What is 45 times? That's the number of times I've moved. Sometimes twice in 1 year. I didn't want it to be this way. But at the same time, I didn't stop it. It started in childhood. And then I kept it going over the years. I didn't stop. I kept moving around. Even when I met Jerry, we moved 3 times in 7 years. Until this house came along. This house is teaching me about home. Life will never be the same. Hey babe, welcome back. So I think this is like my 3rd time trying to record this and it just hasn't been right, but I have a feeling that this is the time. This is working. So if you just saw that little clip before, yes, I've moved 45 times. I've had 45 different homes. I will put that in air quotes because many of the places where I've lived did not feel like a home, or I didn't live in it long enough to even have an opportunity to feel like I was at home. And I think that home maybe was never important to me, or maybe it wasn't as important to me as it is now. And I think the reason why it is important to me now is because of this house. When we walked in, when we moved into this place, even though we're here just on the weekends right now, that's not permanent, but its impact was significant. I feel like this was all meant to be, and I feel so creative when I'm here. I just wish there was more time in the day. And I do think that as we move our lives here over the next couple months full time, that I will have more opportunities to tap into my creativity. There's so many things I want to do with you. I want to have like art classes. I want to make like cool things for our homes and do stuff like that together and like kind of show you and inspire you. But you need to join my mailing list because this is stuff that I won't likely put on the YouTube channel until maybe I hit 100,000 subscribers. Like when that day comes, I'll have enough people that the algorithm won't mind if I put on like a how to make a cool bowl or funky mobile video or something like that, at least for now. So if you haven't already signed up for the mailing list, I will leave the link below. But home is very important to me, and I cannot state it enough. I know that there is going to be so much opportunity from this home because like I said before, a home is your home base. And if you nurture your home, it will nurture you back. I believe that now that we're here in this home, that so much of my true self is going to come forward. So much of my creativity is going to come forward because now I'm in a safe and secure place. Now I'm in a place where I can just be like, this is like my place to be myself. Who am I? What does this place mean to me? What do I feel inspired to do with it? What do I feel inspired to create? And if you're not thinking like that or feeling like that in your home, it's okay because, well, that's why I'm here. I'm here to help inspire you so that you do feel that way. And these vlogs, while they're just once a month right now, I do try to make them as creative as possible, though we're here on updates right now and kind of just like having the little sit down talking portion, the little like chit chat portion of the video. And then in a moment, we will get to BR Home. I did visit the BR Home it's actually BR or Banana Republic. They have closed their pop-up and now they just have in select BR or Banana Republic stores throughout the country, they have the BR Home collection on display. And so I went to the Banana Republic or the BR to view the home collection in their Soho location in downtown Manhattan. So I have a fun little montage of that visit, and it really is a beautiful store. And I do really like the BR Home collection. Some of you may know we purchased our coffee table and our side tables from BR Home, and I absolutely love them. I think the quality is incredible, and I love just the worldly feel that they offer. I am working on a few other collaborations with some smaller, like mission-focused companies to come up with something. I'm not really sure, but I'll keep you posted on that, but where you'll have opportunities to purchase things from other parts of the world that support the local communities there. So I am working on that. And as I do more of these vlogs, I want to show my love of travel, my love of like a worldly influence in interior design, and share all of that with you. I think that is a big part of myself, not just the artistic part, but my love of infusing other cultures, experiencing other cultures, and adding those sort of flavors to this pot, this home that we live in, and share all that with you. So who knows where this vlog will go in the future? The possibilities are really endless on where and how I will take you there. But at the end of the day, just remember to sign up for the mailing list below, because that's how you're going to get connected to all the private videos and the like how-to art making videos that will be coming up in the future. And also opportunities to have your home reviewed for the return of the live series Fix My Home. So we did this last April, and in October, I'm returning back to this. So I'm very excited to get on live with you all. I had so much fun doing that and connecting with you. I kind of just want to be on live with you all just for fun, like just answering questions and connecting and saying, hey, hi from wherever, that was really fun. So as I wrap up this sort of updates part, I just want to share one thing with you in keeping with the theme of this month's vlog, home, and like the significance of home and what does home mean to you. So again, let me know in the comments what home means to you if you feel inclined. I would love to know. I read all of your comments and I respond to all of them. And oh my God, some of them just like, my eyes start watering when I'm reading these comments. All right, so I want to share a poem I wrote. I wrote this poem a while back, and it is called A Place to Dance, and it's about our house. So let me share that with you, and then we'll get on to BR Home. Oh, and this is the first time I've read this out loud to anyone. So be nice. I used to write poems all the time when I was younger, and then I stopped, and now I'm picking it back up again. So anyway, all that aside, a place to dance. There is a longing inside me to become myself, to be in a place, a space that nurtures me. There is a feeling inside me, a knowing that whispers, a desire to come to life. And so the music begins. When I pass through the door, I shed an ancient layer, standing against the wall, watching all the others dance. Through the door and release me, you change me. You give me a place to finally move to the music, a place to finally dance. All right, I love you. I'll see you on the other side. I honestly hesitate to say anything here because I think everything kind of speaks for itself. I love the textures, the fabrics, the creativity, the details, the worldly feel of everything. I just think that they have done an incredible job. I hope they continue to make and distribute this beautiful furniture, this beautiful lighting, these beautiful textiles and home furnishings. I just admire this entire collection. From the moment I walked into the pop-up in Soho last September, and even now, I just think there's so much beauty and quality in this collection. I wish I could buy everything here, but I don't have the space for it. But look at all of this beauty. It's everything that I love, this attention to detail, this worldly feeling, this kind of rustic vibe, but also very artistic. I just am always in awe when I see this collection, and I don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna stop talking right here so you can enjoy the rest of it. All right, lovely. Until next Sunday, sending you so much love from New York. Mwah.